Salam. Today we're going to be making Rooh Afza. Rooh Afza is commonly drank during iftar to break fast in Ramadan. Now, there are two camps on how to prepare it, with milk or with water. Either way, it's the best refreshing drink after a hard day of fasting.
You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of Rooh Afza syrup, 1 cup of milk or water, and if you're making it with water, I'd also suggest a handful of ice, a teaspoon of sugar, and half a lemon wedge too.
So here's Rooh Afza. How do I describe it? It's like rose with hints of fruit mixed in. Looks like apple, quinoa orange, malta orange, grape, lemon, and grapefruit. Smells and tastes wonderful.
In your glass, add the syrup, followed with milk, then stir to combine. For the water version, add ice, syrup, sugar, water, then top it off with some lemon juice and stir.
Bismillah. So growing up, I preferred Rooh Afza with water. Growing up, I preferred Rooh Afza with water because it's thirst quenching, especially in the hot summer. But now, I prefer it with milk as its creaminess pairs a little bit better with spicy iftar food. And it's more filling too. Which one do you prefer? Okay, that's what I thought. Whatever your preference, I hope you have a great Ramadan.